Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. So this is kind of a little bit of a special video. I actually have a meetup tomorrow. So what I'm actually doing in this video is cleaning the car up. It's been a few weeks since I had a chance to actually clean the car up. One of the good things I wanted to mention is I've been using the Obsessed Garage drying aid for the past couple washes. And one thing that I noticed is how much cleaner the car stays after I drive it. So when I used Bead Maker, pretty much as soon as I took it outside, it was covered with a layer of dust. Something in Bead Maker would just, I don't know, it attracts dust, it attracts grime and whatever, and the car just always needed a wash after the first drive. But with the Obsessed Garage drying aid, the car looked really clean. I mean, it's a little wet right now since I already did the wheels, but I'm really impressed so far. I'm really actually, I think I may be switching over. The only bad thing that I noticed was it's a little bit harder to work in. In other words, after I applied it and I went back the next day, I saw some smearing. It just took a little bit more work to actually work the product into the actual paint. But overall, I'm really liking it. The durability is very nice. The beading and everything is still crazy. Obviously the car's ceramic coated, but it definitely has some great properties, great characteristics that I'm really pleased with. And not to mention the car stays so clean, even after the multiple drives I have done in this car since washing it. So I'm actually going to take you guys along for the ride tomorrow with the meetup. I think there's going to be about 30 or 40 cars, which is pretty cool. It's going to be a really nice day. We're going to a really nice spot, so it should be a lot of fun. So I figured I'll take you guys along, show you some cool cars. And also, if you guys didn't see my last video, this is the OLM carbon fiber rear diffuser. Wasn't crazy about that one. That one's sold, is going to the new owner. They're picking it up this week. And I ended up picking up a Veris Engineering diffuser. I got it from Bryant at Envision Tuning. He got it to me in a day. I literally ordered it yesterday and was here this morning. But unfortunately, it is the aggressive version, so it has the really sharp fins. I don't want to unpack it too much, but there you go. It has the really aggressive fins right there. I ordered the non-aggressive one. I'm not a big fan of the big fins coming out, you know, really far on the bumper. So he's actually going to get me the non-aggressive one that should be here on Tuesday, since tomorrow is Sunday, and obviously no shipping and everything. So he's going to get it on Monday, and he's going to overnight it, so I should have it on Tuesday. So I'll have a video on that once that comes in. But if anybody is interested in the aggressive version, let me know. It is for sale. This is just the easiest way instead of shipping it back, so I'll give you a good deal on it. If anybody's interested in picking that up, let me know. It's literally brand new. I took it out of the box just to look at it and put it right back in, just like this one pretty much. So it looks like I'm starting a diffuser distribution company over here, because the third one's going to come in. I'm going to have multiple diffusers. This is crazy. I figured I would mention that since a lot of people were telling me to go with that one, and I did. So that is to come, the non-aggressive version. That will be later on this week. But let's go ahead, let's get the STI cleaned up and ready for the meeting. Finished up with the wash. Car is looking fantastic. I'm always so incredibly happy with how things turn out after I wash it, just with the ceramic coating. And I'm really liking the OG drying aid. I really think I'm going to switch over, but I'm going to finish up the gallon that I have and then kind of make my decision after that. But overall, paint looks fantastic. Super smooth. I mean, hard to show on camera, but it's crazy smooth. I love it. So I will catch back up with you guys tomorrow afternoon once I'm headed out, and we'll go check out some cool cars, meet some cool people, and yeah, have a good day. So I will catch back up with you tomorrow. actually is the next day. I didn't get a chance to wrap up this video, so I figured I would just catch back up with you the next morning. But I just wanted to give a huge shout out to everybody that came along. Doing these things always surprises me just how many people actually come out to them. I think we had about 25-30 cars, or 25-30 people that ended up showing up, which was great. You know, I personally don't like really big shows or meets or anything like that, so it was a great size. We all got to chat and catch up and everything, and so I really do appreciate everybody coming out, spending their Sundays. The place where we were hanging out, it was great, beautiful over there. It's one of my favorite places around, so it was really nice to kind of get together on Sunday morning and just hang out. The roads on the way to that place is absolutely amazing. I need to go back there and go for a serious drive because there's great like elevation changes. There's a lot of curvy roads and everything, so I'm definitely looking forward to getting back there and having some fun. But either way, huge shout out. Thank you guys so much for showing up. Hopefully we can do another one. Last year I did one last summer, and it was about a year until I did this one, so hopefully we can do one sooner. I would love to do one in the fall when it's a little bit cooler and we can do a drive or something like that, which will be a lot of fun. Plenty of videos coming up. We got the Varus Engineering diffuser coming in, and I'm going to get that exhaust video out for you guys with the new ETS exhaust, plus much more to come, so stay tuned for everything. But if you guys have any questions at all about the car or anything else, be sure to leave them in the comments below. But in the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.